Phew, finally time to relax.
Girls, I have the most amazing idea. Let's have some fun.
No, I want to rest.
Same. What if I told you it's gonna be an amusement park?
Yay!
So, what do you think?
Yay, rides!
We love having fun.
Wow.
Then we need to get changed. That slaps. Let's go. Wow, so much fun. I don't understand. Where are the rides?
And we were so excited. Come on, girls, let's go.
Oh, wait, don't go. It's all gonna be there in a minute. I have a vision. Be right back. Lalilu, I need your help. We urgently need to make this. A roller coaster? Got it. Draw a big roller coaster hill on it and cut it out. I brought some paper. Right on time. Covering our piece with pink paper. We need 2 pieces like this. Bringing in the pencils. Snap each one in half. Glue them to the piece. And connect the 2 roller coaster hills together. It looks like a ladder. Using the remaining pencils, we make a vertical support. The roller coaster needs to be sturdy after all. We can decorate it with curling ribbon. We stretch it out and done. I love it. And I've also got some balloons and stars. We glue them to the coaster. So much better. Hang the sign and voila! Our roller coaster is ready. Let me try sliding down.
Oh, hold on, stop. You can't do that.
But why? We need to make a cart. For that, we'll need a small plastic bottle. Mark it and cut off one section. Cover the other part in faux fur. It'll be soft and comfy. Lalilu, don't forget the hearts. Look how cool that is. Yep, perfect. We did use a lot of pencils for this thing. Girls, everyone over here.
Yay, roller coaster, so cool.
Me first. Mira, it's a roller coaster. Let's go. Rumi, you coming?
Obviously, I love roller coasters.
Then let's go quick.
Let's go.
That was so amazing. Hey, where's Lali?
Not me.
Lali, come on, let's ride.
No, thanks. I'll pass.
But it's so much fun. Come on. Are you ready?
Go without me.
Lali, I'm right here. I'll be with you the whole time.
Okay, I'm doing it.
It's over, Lali. You can stop screaming now.
It's over? Already? That wasn't scary at all. I want to go again.
Yay!
This is my favorite ride.
Lali, are you coming?
I just loved it so much.
There are tons more rides. Let's go already.
A selfie for a Laligram first.
Yay!
That's how my amusement park is gonna get famous. Okay, let's go. Zoey, come on, we have to move.
Girls, wait for me. That's... Chinu, hi.
Oh, hey, Rumi. You're here too?
Yep, with the girls. Psst.
Lalilu, can you help me do something to impress Rumi? You want to impress Rumi? Don't yell, it's supposed to be a surprise. Oops, sorry. Let me think. Oh, let's make a dart game. Come on.
Hey.
Come on in. I'll be back in a sec. Hey, where are you going? What about the dart game? Don't worry, we've got it all covered. We'll need 2 cardboard boxes. Interesting. I wonder what you've got in mind.
Oh.
You'll see. We cut open one box with a craft knife and remove the lid. It looks kinda empty inside.
Yeah.
I brought a printout. Nice work, Chinu. Yeah, that's how I am. The inside of the box is done. That looks great. Do we need this piece of cardboard?
Oh?
Yes, we'll make dividers from it. There. Can you help me? Of course. Done. Lala magic. We insert the dividers into our box. That gives us 6 sections. Now let's get the big box ready. I'll help mark it out.
Yeah.
We trace around the small box and pop, there's the opening. Now it needs to be painted on the outside. Can you handle that, Ginu? I'm a total pro at this. Done. We need the small box inside the big one. What's next, Lalilu?
Oh?
And next, it's decoration time! Ta-da! We decorate the dart game with little stars. So cool. And we add the sun. I brought the darts!
Yay!
And I brought the prizes. We still need some rhinestones. We decorate the seams. Time to blow up the balloons. Our dart game is ready. I think Rumi is gonna love it. Thank you, Lali. Happy to help. Let's go show Rumi. I'm actually kinda nervous. Show her what you've got.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, this is my favorite game. Ginu, let's play.
Oh, let's do it. Watch me show you how it's done.
Yeah.
Oops. I guess today's just not my day.
Let me try. Wish me luck. Yes!
Woo!
Got one! And another one! Yes! Lalilu, did you see that?
Yes, Lali, great job. And here's your prize.
Lalilu, teddy bears are so not trending right now. I want to give Rumi a mystery dumpling. Okay, Rumi, this is for you.
Oh my, it's a mystery dumpling.
Wow. Photo for the memories. Ta-da!
So cute.
Come on, bestie.
And just like that, Rumi's gone.
Ginu, look what I brought.
What a beautiful rose.
Go catch up with her and give her the flower.
All right. Oh, Rumi, wait.
Hey.
This is for you.
Thank you. Oh, that's so sweet of you.
Same for me.
What haven't we gone on yet? What's that sound? That's coming from my stomach. Let me take a look.
Yes.
Sad face, rumbling tummy. I'm detecting a serious sugar deficiency. What do we do? Let me think. I've got it. We need cotton candy. Yay, I love cotton candy.
I don't want cotton candy.
Ew.
Please.
Fine. You convinced me.
Let's make some right now. I happen to have just the right materials. We'll need a correction tape roller. I take it apart, keeping only the wheel. Cut 2 holes in a piece of cardboard. Add some color. We insert the wheel into the round hole and decorate with hearts.
Okay, let's go. Slay.
We put a sugar container inside and the machine with the nozzle right next to it. Now let's make the display case. Cut a heart out of clear plastic and glue it to the lid. Add some buttons and decorate with sparkly foam sheet. Almost done. We just need to add the coin slot and the cotton candy sign. Ready!
Something's still missing. Let me see. These buttons are so boring. Of course, rhinestones. Now it's truly done. Let's carry the machine to the port. Girls, come, get your cotton candy.
Oh wow! Lali, you go first.
Okay, sure. Where's the heart? Found it. Yay, it works. Wow, this is the best cotton candy I've ever had.
Me next. I want a Mickey Mouse shape. Oh my, it's absolutely perfect.
It's just cotton candy.
Do you want to try some?
I don't want any.
But this cotton candy is special.
Fine, you win.
Then pick your shape. I want a kitty shape. Okay, quick.
But it's just regular cotton candy.
All right, let me fix that.
Oh, wow. Exactly what I wanted.
Chef's kiss. Let's take a selfie. Smile. Great shots. That was so delicious. Oh, there's something up there.
Where? What?
Come on, give me a boost. Let me have a look.
Lali, hurry up, you're heavy.
I'm looking.
I can't hold on much longer. We're gonna fall. Oh, no.
Oh, oops. Nope, that's not gonna work.
Did you see what it was?
No, but I have an idea.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Still can't see though. Lalilu, help us!
Hey!
We're actually going to need stilts, but for something else. Let's use them to make a Ferris wheel. Take some wooden sticks, trim off the extra parts, put 2 sticks together. At the bottom, we add stability using foam sheet. That gives us a nice stand.
I made one too.
Great work, Lali. Now that we have our stands, let's place them on the platform.
It's so sparkly, I love it.
Now let's work on the wheel itself. Glue wooden sticks to a round piece of cardboard from the center outward in a circle. And secure them with another round piece of cardboard on top.
Lalilu, I brought some popsicle sticks.
Just in time. We use them to make horizontal crossbars.
Hey!
Spray paint everything pink. Add another identical structure and connect them with a wooden dowel.
Lalilu, I want to help too.
We add a few more dowels between our wheels to keep them properly spaced. And decorate with ribbon, little stars,
And of course, little hearts.
make a little fence from popsicle sticks, and attach the sign.
This is literally a sleigh.
We still need seats. We'll make them from paper cups. Cut and shape each cup into a seat with a back.
Let's make them soft.
Great idea! Attach the seats to the wheel using pipe cleaners. And we're done. What a beautiful Ferris wheel we made.
Oh, wow, this is incredible. Girls, come here.
Hey!
Wow, it's so tall.
Me first, me first. Oh, there's something up there.
Yay!
Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new videos.
Yay! Woo!
Ew, I'm so dizzy. Let's take a photo in front of the Ferris wheel.
I'll take it for you. Perfect, got it.
Wow, roller skates.
Hey!
Hmm?
Yay! Woo! Huh?
Lali, what are you doing? Whoa, your roller skates are so cool.
I've actually been standing really uncomfortably this whole time.
Where did you get those skates?
Lalilu made them for us while you were on the Ferris wheel.
Lali, I seriously can't keep standing like this. Oh, sorry, but I want a pair too.
We'll make you some right now.
Let's go, quick. You still have materials left, right?
Of course. Let's take off your sneakers for now and trace the pattern pieces onto the fabric.
Let me help.
We cut out our pieces.
I'm done with mine too. Oh, wait. We need rhinestones.
Yes.
Apply hot glue and lay out a heart design. Sew on some loops and cover Lali's sneakers.
Do you need the ribbon?
We'll use it to make the lacing and decorate everything with little bows.
And a heart on the back heel too.
Now we just need to attach the wheels.
Not just any wheels though.
Then what?
Not regular wheels, heart wheels.
Are you sure?
Absolutely.
Yay!
Wow, that slaps.
Okay, give them a try.
I can't do it. Oh, Lalilu, look, it's Mr. Beast over there.
Oh, I thought it was the real one.
Oops, wrong person. Woohoo!
Well, that explains it.
Zoey, I'm joining you. Girls, shall we take a selfie with Mr. Beast?
How about I take a photo of all of you instead?
Okay, I'm done with the skates.
Let's go.
But where should we go next? Oh, I know. Let's go on the merry-go-round. Amazing, I love that.
Hey!
We're into.
Oh no, it's closed, but how? What a shame, we won't get to ride.
Don't be sad, girls. We'll take care of it right now.
Ooh, amazing.
We need some horses. Oh, this unicorn will work perfectly. Remove the tail, paint over the existing color, and take off the wings so they're not in the way. Paint it pink and add a little sparkle. Make a new tail and mane from white foam sheet. Draw on the eyes. 3 horses are ready.
Something is definitely missing here.
What is it, Lali?
Glitter, obviously.
Okay, let's do it. Cover our horse in glitter. Add the tail, and voila! Cover the spinning platform with foam sheet and place our horses on top. Add the center pole. Our merry-go-round is ready.
No style at all. This clearly needs rhinestones. Now that's more like it. Absolutely stunning. Girls, we're all ready.
Yes.
Wow, what an amazing merry-go-round. Now this is chic.
I'm riding this horse.
And I'll take this one.
Okay, here we go. What a lovely day.
Give it a like if you loved our amusement park too.
Yay!
Bye-bye. See you in the next videos.